Aliya Fakhri, sister of Bollywood actor Nargis Fakhri, has been charged with first-degree murder and arson in a devastating case involving the deaths of two people in Queens, New York City. The victims, Edward Jacobs, 35, and Anastasia, 33, died of smoke inhalation and burns in a fire allegedly set by Aliya on November 2. According to Queens District Attorney Melinda Katz, Aliya, 43, is accused of starting the fire in the detached garage of Jacobs' home in Jamaica, Queens. Witnesses claim Aliya arrived at the property early in the morning and shouted, "You're all going to die today," before the fire engulfed the building. Both victims were trapped inside and unable to escape. Jacobs, a plumber and father of three, had reportedly ended his relationship with Aliya a year ago. Family members alleged that Aliya continued to pursue him despite his attempts to distance himself. Jacob's mother, speaking to the New York Post, said he's been trying to tell her to leave him alone for the past year, but she wasn't accepting the rejection. She clarified that Jacobs and Ettienne were friends, not romantically involved. Aliya, a resident of Parsons Boulevard in Queens, was indicted by a grand jury on November 27 and faces charges including 4 counts each of first and second degree murder, along with first and second degree arson. If convicted on the most serious charge, she could face life in prison. Her next court hearing is scheduled for December 9. Aliya and Nargis Fakhri's mother has denied the allegations, expressing disbelief over the accusations.